What is going on, guys? This is today's breakdown on gold and GJ. These are the trades that we took and were called out in the private Telegram group. So this is, of course, GJ. Well, you can't see it because it's up here, but this is GJ on the 1 hour time frame. And as you can see, we had our entry price pushed down and hit take profit 1, where we moved stops to break even and we secured some profits. Me personally, I take a majority around about 70% of the profits here at take profit 1 and let the rest run for take profit 2. So take profit 1 was 30 pips, I believe. Yep, 30 pips. So we got 30 pips. We moved our stops to break even. And then this 1 hour candle flipped bullish, made this top wick and took us out of break even. And now it's flipped back bearish and it's continuing to push down. So we'll see where this goes. But yeah, this was called out in the GJ private channel. So here we can see GJ sales. This is today, of course, the 18th of July. GJ sales entry, stop loss, take profit 1, take profit 2. So all levels provided. We can see here GJ triggered. This is when the trade got triggered or when I entered. And you can see here take profit 1 being hit and take some profit. Take profit 1 hit for 30 pips, move stops to break even and close some profits, right? And then we saw break even on GJ after take profit and get hit. That's why we secure profits, blah blah blah, right? So that is GJ. We're on a beautiful run at the moment. Here we can see we're on 24 wins, 4 losses, and 8 break-even trades since June in both GJ and gold channels. Amazing run. GJ is providing at the moment. It's been awesome. So moving on to gold, you can see here GJ is continuing bearish, starting to push down quite a lot. And, you know, we called the volume. Look where the volume and momentum is coming into the market. We literally called it from here. Here we can see consolidation, right? Consolidation, volume, accumulation, and distribution, right? So that's GJ. Looking at gold, here we can see we have our gold entry. We got triggered into this trade. It was a beautiful setup. We came close to take profit 1 here, as you can see. I'm gonna delete this alert now. Yeah, we came close to take profit 1. I think we pushed up 20 was that, yeah, 24 pips. And our take profit 1 again was at 30 pips. So we pushed up 24 pips. Price finding rejection, of course. Well, obviously now in this area again, I was thinking that price was going to break through this area. It still potentially could, but it's having a little bit of difficulty doing that. And as we can see, you know, we've got this bullish momentum right here. We have a nice bullish candle here that triggered us in. Oh no, this candle triggered us in, sorry, and then we saw this drawdown. And then price continues. So as you can see, we saw around about 40 pips drawdown. And this is where most of the market, most of the traders would have got taken out of the market here, right? Because they would have tight stops. If they're in buys, they would have got taken out and then price would have continued bullish. So my idea and my thought was that we had this kind of level, right? And I'm not really looking at the key levels too much. What I am looking at is market structure. We can see market structure to the downside, right? So what have we got? Highs, lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. And then price comes up over here, right, in this area and starts breaking above, retests to continue bullish, right? So for me, that bearish market structure, that bearish market sentiment has been broken. And we're now seeing potential moves to the upside. So that was my thinking on gold today, and it still could potentially work out. It's just not working out in the time frame that I want it to work out in my specific trading window when I look for trades, which is fine. We saw profit, and what we did here, so this guy is taking, so this guy took the gold buys, but it looks like he got out around about break even. So we take a look at gold. Here's the signal. So entry, stop loss, take profit 1, take profit 2. And there's the, levels on the chart, and that's the setup before it happened. Gold triggered, so that's when we got into the trade right there. As you can see, price pushing up, bullish. And then I said move stops. I said sorry because I did this message wrong. I said move stops to 10 pips under the current 1 hour low, but I meant to say 5 pips, so I changed it. Move stop loss to 5 pips under current 1 hour low, and then we are out a small 5 pip loss, pretty much break even, right? So that was this candle here. So it spiked up, and I put my stops under the low, and the lows were in here somewhere. The lows were like in there somewhere where that red line is, and I had my stops underneath there, so you can see price come down. Kind of stopped us at that 5 pip stop loss, and then now this 1 hour candle is potentially continuing bullish, but obviously we have this rejection of this resistance now, so we're just gonna wait and see what happens here. But yeah, break even, I would say a 5 pip loss, 5 pip stop loss is pretty much break even for me, when my stop loss was 70 pips initially and my take profit 2 was 70 pips, so that's break even to me. So yeah, we just manage risk. The reason I usually wouldn't, we still have 1 hour left of my trading window. My trading window is a 4-hour window between pre-London to London Open, and a little bit after London Open. So we still have an hour left. But what happened was price drove up, like I said, 24 pips in profit, right? Almost 25 pips. Now, once my trade goes 25 pips into profit, I don't want to be in this trade now if it rejects all the way back down and starts coming into drawdown and starts pushing down in here, right? After being 25 pips in profit, now I'm sitting in drawdown, like 25, even more pips drawdown. That's something that I don't want. So that's why at that point, I decided to move stops to break even, or 5 pip stop losses just under the current 1 hour low, because like I said, if price comes back down now and starts flipping bearish and breaking 1 hour lows, then I don't want to be in that trade anymore. It's pointless after being in profit, after being in that much profit. So that was why we closed, and that's why we started to manage risk at that point. And as you can see now, price is potentially flipping bearish here a little bit. But yeah, that's gold. 1 break-even trade on gold and a winning trade on GJ. GJ is, of course, pushing bearish now. It's looking very nice. So yeah, that's the update. That was today in the signals channels here over at Callisto Capital. This is the community chat. As you can see, not everyone has joined it. We've got 10 members in the GJ and we've got 13 members in the gold, but there's only 5 members in here, so not everyone has joined it. I'm gonna have to send the link out again, but yeah, as you can see, members sending their profits. So break even trade here. So that's that. This GJ trade looks like it's gonna hit take profit too. But yeah, if you guys are interested, come and join the free Telegram. This is the free Telegram over here. As you can see, this is where I post updates about the trades that we've taken, and I also do some other things in there, like do some videos, educational videos and breakdowns. So yeah, that's that. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content and help a brother out with growing his channel. I appreciate you guys. Peace out.